everyone. Hope you're having a good day today. This short video is just going to show you how to get started with Coinbase. And if you could, please use my link in the description below to make your account, as when you make a purchase, I'll get $10 if you make a $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So if you do make an account, please use my link provided below the video. So you're just going to click on Get Started when you come to Coinbase's website. You'll enter your name, email, password, and state. And of course, I already have an account, so I'm not going to go through all this. But it'll then ask you for things like your phone number and other information. And then you'll get an email to your email account, and you'll just verify your account. And then after that, you will have a Coinbase account. Then you'd log in. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to me already logged in. Once you have your account made and you log into Coinbase, you could go up here, then go to settings, and then you might want to go to account limits. Here you can see the 3 different levels for the account. If you just verified your phone number, you're allowed to invest up to $9,500 with cryptocurrency from your bank account, credit, or debit card. Level 2 is when you verify personal information. You have unlimited investing, wire funds in and out of Coinbase, and you can store USD in your Coinbase account. Level 3 verification is your photo ID, and you are allowed to send and receive cryptocurrency when you do this. This is required by the regulators that Coinbase be able to do this to legally operate. So it is something you're going to have to do if you plan on really investing with a large amount and messing around with cryptocurrency. And you're also probably going to want to go over to security section, and you'll have your phone number right now, but you might want to add 2-step verification with an authenticator. That's what I do. You just download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, and when you go to add it, they'll take you through the process of doing that. And then every time you log into Coinbase, you'll go to the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and you'll enter the code that it provides. And it's a lot easier than having to wait for a text message to your phone every time. So I prefer that. And then you have your portfolio. You click there to see what currencies you have. You can actually earn rewards for watching videos about currency, different cryptos. You have to go on the wait list when you first make an account, and then once you're off the wait list, you're able to earn the amount. But you can go ahead and watch the videos about all the currencies, even if you're on the wait list, just to learn a little bit about them and how they work. I'm focusing mainly on Bitcoin first, but I do plan on making videos about Ethereum, EOS, and many other currencies in the future. So now, if you're wanting to buy Bitcoin, you go up here to trade. You'll just buy Bitcoin here, but before you do that, you will have to add payment methods to your account. So under settings, you go to payment methods there, and then you will add the payment methods to your account from there. I'm not going to go there because I already have added some payment methods. So once you've added a payment method and it's been verified and accepted, you could come up here to trade, and then you'd click buy. And of course, you could buy many different currencies, but I recommend, if you haven't even started with any yet, that you start off with Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is the safest and Bitcoin's been around the longest. And Bitcoin overall, I mean, when you haven't even looked into cryptocurrency, it is the simplest to understand. So I'd recommend that when you do buy, you buy Bitcoin to start off, and then after you have some Bitcoin, you could start buying a few of the other ones after you've researched them and understand them. So you just put whatever amount you want in there, and then you just click preview buy. It'll take you, and then you just click buy now. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but if you were wanting to sell what you have, you just go to the sell, and you put the amount you want to sell, and then sell that Bitcoin. If you want to convert from one currency to the other, you can also do that. So if you already had Bitcoin, you wanted to convert it to Ethereum, you could do that, or convert it to any of the other coins very easily. This is just a basic tutorial. You could also send your Bitcoin. So I mean, you just click send right up there, the amount you want to send, and then you would enter your wallet address right there that you want to send it to. which we'll go more in depth over wallets in some later videos. Because once you do buy your cryptocurrency, unless you're actively trading it, you really don't want to keep it on any of these exchange platforms for too long. Because when they're on the exchange, you don't control the private key. So you don't have the private key to your Bitcoin. So if for some reason Coinbase got hacked, your funds might be at risk. And you do not have the private key. Coinbase has the private key. So if their files or something get hacked, they get your private key, then they have your Bitcoin. And then you could also receive as well if you were going to send here. So for instance, if you had Bitcoin in an outside wallet, a hardware wallet, or a desktop wallet or mobile wallet, you might want to send it to Coinbase so you could sell it or trade it for another cryptocurrency. So you just copy that address, and then in your wallet, you would put that as a sending address, and then you'd put the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and do it that way. And this is just a very basic tutorial. If you want to see the prices of the live crypto market, go right here. And you could see all the prices, how much they're up for the day. You could see their market cap, and you could trade most of them. But like I said, if you haven't even been involved in Bitcoin yet, you really don't want to start messing with any of the altcoins. I mean, overall, Ethereum would be the second safest bet, but I would recommend starting off with Bitcoin. It's the simplest, it's been around the longest, it's the most secure and safest, has the largest market cap. So that's a good place to start. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it helped you understand Coinbase a little bit better. You can also get rewarded for sending people over to Coinbase using your referral link. And you, like I said before, you can earn rewards by watching videos about different coins. Of course, you'll have to join the wait list on them. And then once you're accepted in, you start earning. You just watch a short video and then take a little quiz on the video, and then you're rewarded the amount of cryptocurrency that it says. And you could see in this same one, like I was talking about, here's your thing to invite friends. And I forgot to mention, both people actually get a free Bitcoin. So if somebody watching this video invested $100 in crypto, they'd also get $10 in Bitcoin free if they joined using my referral link, and I would also get $10 in Bitcoin. So it benefits both people. And if you want the link, you just click here, copy link, and then send it out. You could also send it to people's email addresses, however you want to do that. And that pretty much concludes this short tutorial. I'm not going in depth about features or anything, just for beginners that haven't really got involved in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency yet. Coinbase is one of the easiest interfaces, so that's just a good starting point for you. Alright, hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for watching.